G'day guys, Luke here. Welcome back to another video. In today's guys, we're doing pretty much a bonus video. This video here is pretty much a update on the baby snakes as a clutch. All of them are doing well. One of them is still being assist fed, so she won't be featured on this video. The rest of the babies, however, will be featured pretty much doing this, feeding them. And as well for show you guys their colours. There's some very beautiful baby snakes. Some of these guys will go to the new homes very soon. While two of the babies we are keeping, so Valentina and Chewbacca, we are keeping and basically get to watch them grow and pretty much document their whole life. Someone did ask about Emma and Azula. Both of them are doing fantastic. Both are gaining weight. Pretty much, if they do breed again this season, we will document pretty much what we did this year with the baby snakes. But yeah, before you go, give you guys a bit of an update on baby snakes, on how they're doing. Pretty much as well, kind of gets doing a farewell video on some of these babies, as this could be the last time we'll be filming them. But overall, they're all going very well. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in another video.